Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Preparation. Muddle the sugar cube and bitters with 1 bar spoon of water at the bottom of a chilled rocks glass. If using simple syrup, combine bitters and 1 bar spoon of syrup. Add rye or bourbon. Add 1 large ice cube, or 3 or 4 smaller cubes. Stir until chilled and properly diluted, about 30 seconds.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The old-fashioned is a perfect receptacle for Wisconsin's beloved brandy, a spirit cherished and carried over by the many German immigrants who settled in the state in the late 19th century, says Wisconsin-born Robert Simonson, author of The Old-Fashioned, the story of the world's first classic cocktail with recipes.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Step 1. Ingredients. Angostura ingredients: 2 tablespoons dried orange peel, zest of 1 orange. Rich syrup, 2 cups turbinado sugar, 1½ cups water. Equipment: 5 quart-size mason jars. Note: one of the ingredients I left out from the original recipe was cardamom. The cardamom adds a really pronounced flavor to the bitters.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The process. Step 1. Steeping. Combine all the spices, roots, barks and other flavorings to a jar and add in the high-proof spirit. Step 2. Strain and cook. Strain the spirit into a clean jar using cheesecloth, then seal. Step 3. Combine and sweeten. Strain out the solids, discard and combine the infused vodka with the water.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.